What's going on, guys? This is Yaz with Unreal Creative. In this video, I will be showing you how to migrate your RPG dialogue system to your own project. So to do that, we're going to go to RPG DialogueForge folder. We're going to right click and we're going to go migrate. Here all the check marks are fine. We're going to click OK. And we're going to find our project. Mine is going to be right here. So just select your, I'm actually going to find it again. RPG DialogueForge test project. And it has to go under the content folder. So just click the content folder and select the folder. It'll just give you a small little warning here saying that some assets already exist. That's fine. I'm going to apply to all, and I am going to say no. And the reason why I'm saying no is because some of you guys might have some important stuff that you don't want this thing to overwrite, which is fine. You can just say no. And that's it. That is as easy as it gets. I will finish off the video here and I will continue the series with more stuff. Thank you, guys.